Okay students, today we are going to continue the same endocrine system chapter of ICSE class 10 biology. This is the part 4 of this chapter. In this part we will study about another endocrine gland which is present in our body, that is the thyroid gland. Okay, so let's start. So the first is the structure. We need to know the structure, location and the hormones that are secreted from this gland. Okay, so the structure is butterfly shaped and it is bilobed structure. Now butterfly shaped, as you can see over here, this is our thyroid gland. This is the shape of a butterfly and it is bilobed. Bilobed means it has two lobes. This is one lobe and this is one lobe. That's why the structure is butterfly shaped and bilobed. Now what is the location? It is in front of the neck, below the larynx. As you can see, it is in front of the neck and it is below the structure called larynx. Now what are the hormones secreted from thyroid gland? The hormones that are secreted is thyroxine and calcitonin. Now what is the function of thyroxine? Thyroxine regulates the basal metabolism. Now what is this basal metabolism? Metabolism means the breakdown of the food, or you can say the synthesis of certain materials, means the chemical processes that are involved during the breakdown of food in order to transform them into energy. So this is known as metabolism. Now what do you mean by basal metabolism? Basal metabolism means the rate by which the energy produced during the metabolism is used by the body. Okay, that rate is known as basal metabolism. So thyroxine regulates that rate of metabolism, means rate of cellular oxidation. Cellular oxidation means the respiration. The cell which absorbs oxygen in order to break down glucose is known as cellular oxidation. So it also influences body growth, temperature, etc. So as it is regulating the basal metabolism, so it is also influencing the growth, temperature, etc. Okay, now what happens when there is hypothyroidism? Hypothyroidism means when there is a deficiency of the hormone secreted from thyroid gland. What happens? Three conditions. The first is simple goitre. Simple goitre is the swelling in the neck, means the neck swollen up, the neck is swollen up during this condition. Next is cretinism. It affects the growth of the children, means dwarfism can occur, means that the height is shortened. And there is also mental retardation, means mental disturbance. Next is myxoedema. The person becomes sluggish, swelling of face and hands. So these are the symptoms of these conditions that happens due to hypothyroidism. Next is hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism means the hormones are in excess. It causes a condition called exopthalmic goitre. What are the symptoms? Protruding eyes, means the eyes seem to bulge out. Shortness of breath, increased metabolism. So this was the thyroid gland which we studied, the secretions from thyroid gland, their functions, conditions, symptoms. In the next part we will study about another endocrine gland which is present in our body, that is the pituitary gland. So that will be the last part of this chapter. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.